Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my kids. Today, inshallah, we start revising theme 4. Let's start with chapter 1. The first question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, space is a way of communication. Is it a cell phone or stones? What is the way of communication? Yes, excellent. It's the cell phone. Number 2, space helps us to compare data. What is it? Is it television or graph? Excellent, students. It's the graph, of course. Number 3, we share information and ideas through conversation or sleeping. How can we share information through conversation or sleeping? Excellent. Through conversation. Number 4, people communicate for space purposes. For the same purposes or for different purposes? Sure, for different purposes. Number 5, the baker makes the bread from dust or flour? Yes, it's from flour. Number 6, we use what when sending a letter? What do we need to send a letter? Stamp or flowers? Of course, we need stamps. Number 7, both email and letters use words or modern technology? Yes, both of them use words. Number 8, in daily conversations, we use what? We use verbal communication or non-verbal communication, or both of them? Excellent. We use both verbal and non-verbal communication. 9, all workers in the community help each other or ignore each other? Of course, they help each other. Number 10, what is everything that makes our life easier and helps us to solve a problem? What is it? Is it technology or food? Super, it's technology. Next question. Look at the pictures carefully and try to identify the sentences that show the meaning of communication. What does communication mean? Let's read the sentences together. Encourage my friends. Is it a way of communication or not? Number 2, exchange information. Share ideas. Don't play with my friends. Talk to other people. Drink milk. And eat fruits. Which of these pictures show meaning of communication? Super, kids. To encourage my friends, to exchange information, share ideas, and talk to other people, all of these mean communication. Next question. Identify the sentences that show the purposes of communication. We said before that we communicate with each other for different purposes. What are different purposes? Making troubles, or learning something new, or getting angry, or getting help? Why do we communicate? Why? To make troubles? Of course not. To get angry? Of course not. So we can communicate to learn something new or to get help. What else? What else? For the reasons that we communicate. Why do we communicate? Not listening to other opinions. Is it the purpose of communication? Or hitting my brother? Or getting new ideas? Or solving a problem? Do we communicate by not listening to other opinions? Of course not. Do we communicate because or due to hitting my brother? Or by hitting my brother? Of course not. So we communicate to get new ideas and solve a problem. Look at these pictures. We talked before about old ways of communication and the new ways of communication. Which of these pictures represent old ways of communication? We have the mailbox, cell phone, pigeons, and using computers. Which of these pictures represent old ways of communication? Excellent. It's by using mailbox and pigeons. Yes, this is old ways of communication. What about the new ways of communication? It's the cell phone and the computer. Excellent. So mailbox and pigeons are old ways of communication, while cell phone and using computers are new ways of communication. Super, super students. Let's match each picture of these with the suitable feeling word. When you look to each picture, what do you feel? We have happy, angry, surprised, sad, and confused. Where is the happy child here? Yes, excellent. Where is the angry one? Yeah, sure, great. Where is the surprised one? Who is surprised here? Of course, this is the boy who is surprised. Who is sad? Of course, this one. And who is confused? Yes, she is. Excellent, students. Next. Let's read the conversation between Ali and the cashier. Then try to solve the math problem using addition and subtraction. Cashier, your total is 65 pounds. Ali, here is a 50 and the two 10 pounds notes. So Ali now has 150 and the two 10 pound notes. Do I have enough money? Cashier, yes, you have enough money. Let me get you the rest. Ali, great. How much money do I get back? Cashier, here is the rest. Thank you for shopping here today. Let's see our math problem. The total money that Ali had. Ali had which money? Do you remember? He has 50 plus 10 plus 10. Excellent. He has 50 pounds plus 2 10 notes. So he has 70 pounds. See, he has 70 pounds. Number 2, the total money that Ali should pay. Do you remember? He should pay 65 pounds. So, does he have enough money to pay or not? He has 70 pounds and he should pay 65 pounds. So, how much money do Ali get back? Of course, we should subtract 65 from 70 to get 5 pounds. This is the rest of money. Excellent, students. Now, let's put right or wrong in front of the following sentences. Number 1, asking questions is a way of communication. We communicate to ask questions or by asking a question. Is it true or false, right or wrong? Of course, it's right. Number 2, we speak formally with our friends? No, of course, we speak formally with strange people or with people that, who are bigger than us, with our teacher, with our parents. Number 3, doctors work in banks. Is it true or false? Of course not. Doctors work in hospitals. Number 4, face, body, and voice tone are non-verbal communications. Excellent, it's right. Number 5, using written conversations may cause misunderstanding. Yes, of course, as we cannot see each other. So we cannot communicate using non-verbal communication while writing words. Excellent. Let's complete. Kasher used math in his conversations. Of course, we saw that in our math problem in the last question. Okay, number 7. Sending email requires email address. Of course, it needs email address to know who will I send the email. Number 8, mailing letter is faster than sending email. Of course, it is wrong answer. Sending email using computer is faster than mailing letter in the mailbox. Number 9, we communicate to develop our relationship. Yes, this is right. Of course, communication makes good relationships between people or among people. Number 10, when the baker needs eggs, he goes to the farmer. Is it right or wrong? Of course, it is wrong. He should go to the grocer, of course. Let's see the next question. Choose the correct answer. When the electric oven is damaged, we should call what? Who we should call? The doctor or the electrician? Yes, of course, we should call the electrician. Number 2, when we want to save money, we should go to the banker or the grocer? Of course, the banker. When we feel sick, we should go to the painter or the doctor? Of course, the doctor. Number 4, we buy medicine from the pharmacist or the artist? We buy medicine from the pharmacist. Number 5, to fix the laptop, we should call the mechanic or the computer programmer? Yes, the computer programmer. But the mechanic, he fixes the vehicles. Do you remember? He fixes cars, planes, buses, and so on. While the computer programmer fixes our computers or laptop. Excellent students today. This was the end of our revision today. See you. Goodbye and thank you for listening.